Hello everyone, this is Pawan Kumar from Learn Digital Academy. Today we will discuss topic about called a toolbar. In this toolbar, last class we can discuss about move tool and artboard tool. Today we will discuss rectangular marquee tool, guys. First, what happened? I want to go to the file menu and I want to select a new document. When I want to select a new document, my new document window is open here. When my new document window is open, that time I want to select 19201080 and just I want to create a click button. When I want to create a click button, that time guys I want to come to the my layer panel. In that layer panel, you want to just open the lock here. When I want to open the lock, guys, last class we can discuss about move tool and artboard tool. After that, you want to come to the next tool. It is there, guys, rectangular marquee tool. What is the rectangular marquee tool? Shortcut key is there, M. When I want to select the rectangular marquee tool, that time you want to see in my option bar, this options it is showing. These options, guys, around 50% to same options is coming. That time we cannot teach this option. What is the first option, guys? First option is like a new selection. What is the meaning of new selection? Means first you want to come to the create a new layer. When you want to create a new layer, that time you want to select the rectangular marquee tool and you want to click on the new selection. After new selection, you can draw one rectangular shape. When you want to draw the rectangular shape, that time guys you want to see here my rectangular created. When my rectangular is created, after that guys you want to select the brush tool and you can fill the color. Which color you want, you can fill the color here. Like that type you want to use this option, guys, that is called a new selection. Next guys, and I want to close this eye symbol and I want to create one more new layer. After that I want to select a rectangular marquee tool. When I want to select a rectangular marquee tool and I want to select the add to selection. In option bar, the second option it is there, that is called a add to selection. When I want to select the add to selection, that time you want to see, guys, I want to draw one rectangular here and I want to draw another rectangular. Means you can add how many rectangulars you want to add, you can add it. This is one method. And second method is there, guys, you can just drag here. After that you can touch on the line top anywhere. Means outside of the line you want to drag and drop like this type. That time you want to see it is added like this. How many times you can add, it is coming like this type you can add it. After that you want to select the brush tool and you can fill the color here. Like that type you want to use this option, guys, that is called a add to selection. After that next option it is there, guys, that is called a subtract from selection. What is the meaning of subtract? Means how much area you want to draw. In that area you want to remove some area. That is the time we use this option is there, guys, that is called a subtract from selection. When I want to select subtract from selection, you want to see, guys, I want to draw one L letter using the rectangular marquee tool. That time you want to just drag one rectangular here. After that you want to come to the option bar and you want to select some subtract from selection. After that, guys, I want to draw one more rectangular on the down rectangular. That time you want to see, guys, down is one rectangular it is there and top also one rectangular it is there. How much area you want to select in top rectangular, that much of area is deleted, remaining area it is showing here. When I want to release my mouse button, that time you want to see one L shape it is created. After that, guys, you want to select the brush tool and you want to fill the color here. Like that type you want to use this option, guys, that is called a subtract from selection. And next it is there, guys, I am using the next option, intersect with selection. What is the next option is there, guys? The next option is there, guys, intersect with selection. What is the meaning of intersect with selection. How do we use it means, first guys, you want to select add to selection and you want to draw one rectangular here. When you want to draw the rectangular, that time guys you want to see here, I want to add some area like this. I want to draw like this type of shape. Okay, when I want to draw like this type of shape, then guys I want to remove this down area. That time guys I am using the intersect with selection. When I want to select intersect with selection and I want to drag on top to bottom here like this, how much area I want to select it, that much of area is there, and remaining down area it is deleted. Like that type you want to use intersect from selection. After that you want to select the brush tool and you can fill the color. You can fill the color here. Like this type you want to use these four options. Sir, why you want to use the new selection and you cannot draw many rectangulars means, now guys I am creating one more new layer. After that I want to use my new selection and I want to draw here. After that one more rectangular I want to draw. That time my first rectangular is deleted, it is removed guys. That is the reason you want to draw many rectangulars. That time you want to select the add to selection and you can add many places. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a rectangular marquee tool. These four options. After that you want to come to the feather. What is the meaning of feather means, the edges it is coming to the blurriness. See guys, I want to draw one rectangular here. After that I want to select the brush tool and I want to fill the color. After that again I want to come to the rectangular marquee tool. Then guys I want to use my feather value, I want to put 10. Then guys I want to draw one more rectangular here. When I want to draw one more rectangular, that time you want to see my corners will be coming roundedness. After that I want to fill the brush, select the brush tool. After that I want to select my brush tool and I want to fill the color. When I want to fill the color, that time you want to see guys my edges it is coming to the blurriness. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a rectangular marquee tool feather option. Okay, normally it is anytime you want to open the Photoshop, that time guys it is here 0, it is there. Next, what is the next option it is there, that is called a normal and fixed ratio and fixed size. First, what is the meaning of normal? Normal means how much width you want to, you can draw that much of width, and how much height you can draw, you can draw it. That is the reason we use here normal option. After that guys you want to go to the fixed ratio. What is the meaning of fixed ratio? It is you want to see 1:1 ratio, you want to say, draw any rectangular shape, that time you want to use fixed ratio. Suppose I want to draw the 10:1 means that time it is coming like this. Okay, depend on the value that is coming like this. Okay, and you want to fix the size. Suppose one client requirement it is there, you want to 64 by 64, you want to draw one rectangular means, that time you want to select the fixed size and you want to type what is the client is given to the width and height, that much of width and height you want to draw it. See this rectangular, not rectangular, it is like a square guys. This square width and height is there 64 by 64. Suppose I am selecting the normal and I want to draw the square shape means, that time you want to use the shift and alt and you want to drag one square shape. Like that type you want to use this option guys, that is called a rectangular marquee tool. Next guys, the next tool it is there guys, that is called a elliptical marquee tool. What is the elliptical marquee tool? How do we use it means, elliptical means it is coming to the like egg shape, and when I want to use this elliptical marquee tool, we can create some designs like a fan and a bulb and earrings, like that type lot of examples we use, and we use the elliptical marquee tool and we can create it. Toolbar, and I want to select elliptical marquee tool. When I want to select the elliptical marquee tool, that time see guys, what are the rectangular marquee tool you want to see the options, same options it is coming here. Now guys, I want to select the elliptical marquee tool and I want to draw elliptical shape, means that time you cannot press any key and you can draw the elliptical shape here. After that you can fill the color here. Next guys, you want to select the one more new layer. After that you want to select the elliptical marquee tool. You want to draw the circle shape, means that time guys you want to use shift and alt and you want to draw the circle shape. This is the difference between the without any key and with any key. Without any key you want to draw, that time it is coming to the elliptical, and you want to use the shift and alt, that time you want to draw the circle shape. Okay, now guys, I want to delete these two layers. When I want to delete these two layers, I am using the rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. I want to create one switchboard. Suppose just you want to come to the Google. When you want to come to the Google, you want to see guys, this is just for my reference purpose. I want to see how is the switchboard. I want to just switch board. I want to type it in switchboard. When I want to type it in switchboard, here you want to see many different style of switchboard is there. I want to see just for the reference purpose. Okay, here you want to see different type of switchboards is there. Now I want to see this one. I am not download that image. I know that this rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool, in these two tools I am using, and I want to create one switchboard. What is the rectangular marquee tool shortcut key is there M, rectangular marquee tool shortcut key is there M, and elliptical marquee tool shortcut key is there M. Now guys, both I want to select and I am using, and I want to create one switchboard. First I want to select rectangular marquee tool and I want to draw one rectangular shape. When I want to select my rectangular shape, and I want to select little bit gray color and I want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color, after that these dotted lines I want to remove, means just press Ctrl D. When I want to press Ctrl D, that time layer 1 you want to select it and you want to right click on it and go to the blending options. When you want to go to the blending options, that time you want to see guys, here bevel and emboss you want to select. When I want to select the bevel and emboss, that time you want to see my little bit thickness, it is coming this rectangular. Like that type I want to draw my switchboard. After that guys, one more new layer you want to select. I want to draw the switch. How do I want to draw the switch, means you want to select again rectangular marquee tool and you want to draw one like this type of switch. Okay, when you want to draw the switch and you want to select in the same color, little bit light color, and you want to select the brush tool and you want to create here. When I want to create here, that time you want to just press Ctrl D. When you want to press Ctrl D, same rectangular, means you want to see guys switchboard. Switch I want to create, that time you want to see here little bit like this type it is showing. Like that type of effect you want to give, and means that time you want to select the move tool and select this layer 2 and press alt button and you want to drag here. When I want to drag here, that time my one more layer, duplicate layer, it is created. In the duplicate layer I want to come to this rectangular box and press Ctrl and double click. When you want to press Ctrl and double click, that time guys you want to go to the brush tool. You want to go to the brush tool and you want to select little bit darker color. Because of that I want to see that effect, that is the reason guys. When I want to done, After that, you want to go to the edit menu and you want to select the free transform tool. When you want to select the free transform tool, you want to go to the right top corner and you can move like this type, and you want to select and you can bend like this. Okay, like this type you want to done. After that, you want to come to the option bar and you want to press tick mark here, commit transform. Otherwise the shortcut key is there, enter. Okay, now you want to see my switch is ready. After that guys, I want to draw after switch side some 5-pin plug it is there. That 5-pin plug I want to draw means that time I want to select one more new layer. When I want to select one more new layer and I want to select my rectangular marquee tool. When I want to select my rectangular marquee tool and I want to draw shift and alt and I want to draw like this one square shape. Okay, yes, when I want to draw that square shape and I want to bring little bit down here. When I want to draw little bit down here, then guys here I want to fill the color. Okay, that time I am using my eyedropper tool and I want to select the same color and I want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color, that time guys you want to the dotted lines it is there now. The dotted lines you want to remove means just press Ctrl D. When I want to press Ctrl D, that time you want to right click on it and you want to select a blending option. When you want to select the blending option, that time it is coming little bit you want to select the bevel and emboss. That is your choice guys. If you want to give, you can give it. At present I am not giving here. After that I want to create one more new layer. Here I want to draw the 5-pin plug. Okay, suppose you want to see here like this type of 5-pin plug I want to draw. It means that time guys I want to select the elliptical marquee tool and I want to just press shift and drag and I want to draw one circle. After that, here I want to little bit select the little bit darker color and you want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color, then you want to see guys here I want to draw like this. Okay, after that the same circle I want to take one more duplicate and I want to just drag and drop. Okay, just guys I want to press Ctrl T and I want to just press Alt button and I want to little bit reduce the size. When I want to little bit reduce the size, then guys I want to select these two layers and one more duplicate I want to take it. When I want to take that time guys you want to see here this and this circle you want to select and you want to left alignment and you want to move on little bit left hand side and like that type I want to create it. After that I want to little bit zoom here and the whole effect I want to give in means that time you want to select the move tool and click on that. Then you want to see that layer is selected here. Then here rectangular box is there now, press Ctrl and double click. Then guys you want to little bit down here and select the brush tool. Okay, and you want to little bit draw here. Same thing you want to do the remaining 4 things. Okay, sorry guys, here I want to delete these 4 things and I want to select this layer and this layer. After that I want to put exact center. Then guys I want to press Alt button and I want to little bit smaller here and press Ctrl T and I want to just a little bit smaller. Okay, I can reduce my size here. When I want to reduce my size, then I want to just here like this type I want to create my switch and switchboard. You want to give little bit effect means that time you want to select the rectangular marquee tool and here I want to draw like this type guys. When I want to draw like this type and you want to see guys here one new layer you want to select it and you want to go to the edit menu and you want to select the stroke. When I want to select the stroke, then guys you want to just select a white color and you want to put 10. Okay, When I want to put 10 or 5 you want to give, it's better depend on the your stroke size. I want to put 5. Okay, when I want to put 5, that time you want to see guys some effect, it is coming like this. Same thing, you want to take one more new layer and you want to draw the one more rectangular here. Then guys you want to same method, you want to use the select and you can select it like that type. I am using the rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. I want to draw the one switch and switchboard I can create. Like that type you want to use this tool guys, that is called a rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. Next it is there guys single row marquee tool. What is the single row marquee tool means? That time I want to go to the file and select a new document. When I want to select a new document, then guys I want to open my log. After that you want to select a new layer. When you want to select a new layer, I am using the single row marquee tool. It is like a one, this single row marquee tool I want to select and I want to click on my artboard. That time my single line it is coming. When my single line it is coming, that time guys you want to select any one color and you want to fill the color here. When I want to fill the color, that time guys the single row is like a 1 pixel width and height it is coming, that is called a single row. When I want to fill the color here, then I want to press Ctrl T and I am a little bit increase my size. When I want to increase my size, that is called a single row marquee tool. Same thing, you want to come and you want to use the single column. Then I want to go to the my layer panel and I want to create my new layer. Just I want to click on it and you want to select a brush tool and you want to draw the fill the color. You want to fill the color. When I want to fill the color, then just guys I want to press Ctrl T and I want to increase my size. When I want to increase my size and like that type you want to see guys, any gift packing you want to draw create a designs, that time you want to do like this type. This type we use this all options guys, that is called a rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row and single column. Hope the session was informative. We'll catch you up next session.